Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roma and today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on contouring specifically for people that have square shaped faces, which includes myself. So this one is ideal for me. Today we're going to be actually using our Chroma Fusion highlighters, contours, and cheek colors. This is our Pro palette. This is my cheek colors all in here. But today we're going to be using Glazed as the highlighter, Latte as the contour color, and we'll stick with the Rogue Rose for the cheek color, just to keep it consistent across all the contouring videos. This is really interesting because this looks like not a very dark color, but in fact it is quite dark. Actually, I'll see if we can put some on the back. See how much color there actually is there. So it's a bit surprising. You might be taken by surprise. If you have darker skin, you might want to go with the cocoa color and the Honey Glow highlighter. But today we'll go with the Latte and the Glaze. So with a square shaped face, what we essentially do with contouring is enhance your facial bone structure. And ideally we want our face shape to look more oval. So that's kind of what our end goal is. So with a square shaped face, what we're going to do is be putting shadows on this part of the face and highlighters on this part to give that illusion of elongation and more of an oval shape. So we'll start with a highlighter, and with the square shaped face we want to just highlight the centerpieces. So basically the forehead, the chin, and with square shape you actually want to highlight the upper part of your cheekbone, kind of on the back side, so from the outer corner of your eye to the temple. So we're going to put some there as well. And then our contour color. Now our cheek brush is amazing because it has this nice flat side, which is really, really great for contouring, and then it's got the rounded side, which is great for color. So what I'm going to be doing is using this flat side in the groove area, and how to find where your cheekbones are, because it's not always easy to find them for some people. My trick is to hold your hands flat, tuck them underneath your cheekbones. So have your cheekbones actually rest on the straight portion of your hands. That line there, like right where your pinky finger is, that is exactly where we want to be putting that contouring color. So we're going to pick up this Latte color, and with the square face we want to go underneath, so you can see how much color there is there now, underneath our cheekbones from the hairline. And again, you don't want to get too much, you want to go about to the edge of your corner of your eye. We also want to diminish the look of the squareness, so we're going to take some contouring color just on the edge of that square piece of your jawline, and in your temple areas. So again, just creating shadow and depth to make your face look more oval shaped. Then lastly, for our color, with a square face shape, you want to apply the color essentially right where the apples of your cheeks are. So you're going to smile, you're going to find those big apples, and that is where you are going to put the color on. So now we have applied the highlighter, the contour, and the color, but I don't want to go out like this because I'm a little bit stripy at the moment. So I'm going to take my all over powder brush and just blend. So when you're blending, just keep in mind that you don't want to erase the color totally, you just want to get those edges blended in. So with our contour color, we're just going to keep blending. So there's no harsh lines. Just like when you blend your eyeshadow, it's the same sort of idea. And that is it for my tutorial today, which is contouring for the square shaped face. I hope that you learned something, that you were able to make sense of it all. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you again. Take care.